Hello everyone. Today I'm making tomatoes with soy sauce mayonnaise for dinner. So this is not a bento making video, but just a dish that I want to share with you. This is red onion, akatamanegi. I'm gonna cut them into pieces, and I'm gonna just slice the tomatoes. So my oldest daughter, she doesn't like tomatoes, but she likes this tomato dish. So if you don't like tomatoes, or if you have children who do not like tomatoes, I hope you give a try this recipe. Okay? So tomato is cut and put in the fridge. These are the I soaked in the water and put them into the paper towel and soak out the water. Then I'm going to make a sauce. Just add dark soy sauce, which is koikuchi shoyu, and add mayonnaise. I'm using additive-free mayonnaise, and just mix well. Onions are just for texture. So if you don't like onions, if your kids do not like onion, then you can take it out. I tasted. I felt that I needed to add a little bit more mayonnaise, so I added, and this is done. So tomato is nice and cold, so I just pour the sauce over the tomatoes. And this is done. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And this recipe shouldn't be difficult, so I hope you give a try. And I usually make a video making bento, but sometimes I make these dishes that I make for my family for dinner and lunch. And I hope you come back. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.